Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make a really quick smoothie using coconut water. These are pretty much all the ingredients you're going to need. So of course you're going to need the coconut water. In this video, I'll be using the Azul brand. I did pick this up at the Dollar Tree, but you can use any brand that you wish. I'm also going to be using a whole banana, and I also have some original low-fat vanilla yogurt, and this is from Walmart. It's the Great Value kind. And then also from Great Value, I have frozen pineapple chunks with no sugar added. And then you're also going to need a blender of your choice. My blender of choice is, of course, my easy to use NutriBullet. So the first thing I'm doing here, I'm just going ahead and peel my banana and adding it to my blender cup. I absolutely love 100% ripe bananas because I feel like you get the best taste from a banana when it's fully ripe. Next thing I'm doing here is just adding my frozen pineapple chunks. Because they are frozen, I won't be using any type of ice in this recipe. You can put as little or as much pineapples as you would like. Next up, I will be adding about 1/4 of the low-fat vanilla yogurt into my mix. And lastly, it is time to add the coconut water. This specific coconut water that I have, it does have little coconut pieces inside of it. And I'll be using a little bit more than half of the actual can. And I'm just going ahead and fill it up to that max line on my NutriBullet cup. So that's pretty much it. That's all my ingredients in one. I'm just going ahead and screw on that lid, and then I began to actually blend it. A NutriBullet works very well, so you do not have to blend it like longer than 20 to 30 seconds. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Remember to give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys later.